Welcome to a chic spring transformations. Effortless elegance and natural charm in these basement decor ideas. From rustic accents to modern minimalism, each suggestion brings the beauty of spring into your home with simplicity and style. Vintage vignettes. Mix antique and modern pieces for character. Distressed sideboards adorned with eclectic finds create historical yet fresh vignettes. Blooming elegance in simplicity. Minimalist floral arrangements on wooden tables evoke organic ease. Whisper the arrival of spring with understated elegance. Terrarium tableau. Vintage tables become stages for microcosms of greenery. Explore the intricate beauty of plant life for a tranquil basement transformation. A lush ladder of light. Wooden ladders as vertical gardens illuminate spaces with warm, earthy glows. Function and form dance, marrying light utility with spring's flora. Heritage in green. Repurposed frames and potted plants bridge the past with the present. Each element tells a personal narrative, inviting warmth and charm. Harvested harmony. Dried herbs and flowers against mustard yellow infuse spaces with the spirit of the harvest. Modernity blends with rustic charm for vibrant basement decor. Modern minimalism with a green touch. Sleek shelves host modern art and vibrant greenery. Contemporary lines merge with organic elements for trendy, nurturing spaces. Earthy elegance on display. Live-edge wooden shelves boast potted plants and minimalist decor. Each piece's raw edge echoes nature's beauty, perfect for peaceful nooks. Inspirational botanica. Watercolor gardens with motivational phrases offer daily inspiration. Gentle reminders of growth and resilience adorn creative corners. Vintage bottles with a twist of spring. Old wine bottles as candle holders with greenery. Sustainable elegance proves beauty in simplicity, warming any gathering. An ode to peonies. Vintage watering cans overflow with lush peonies against music sheet backgrounds. A harmonious blend of softness and metallic edges enchants any space. Cascading greenery over wood. Trailing greenery draped over mantels or shelves exudes vitality. Bring outdoor freshness indoors with this serene and organic display. Floating shelves of nature's art. Suspended wooden shelves provide canvases for curated items. Celebrate nature and craftsmanship's diversity, creating backdrops perfect for spring. Farmhouse freshness. Reclaimed wood table centerpieces with spring blooms set fresh, farmhouse-style scenes. Rustic charm meets delicate hues for an inviting basement ambiance. Wheels of whimsy. Upcycled bicycle wheels adorned with blooms offer inventive wall decor. Spin tales of creativity and sustainability in your basement's unique design. Springtime typography. Burlap sacks lettered to spell spring with greenery accents capture the season's essence. Delightful decorative pieces add charm to mantels or shelves. The simplicity and natural beauty of these chic spring basement decor ideas to elevate your space. Let the essence of the season infuse your surroundings with warmth and style.